Can you parallel them together?
Well, that one's sandbag.
Yes.
You got anything else there, mate?
In theory, we can use this one. Stand back. You got them? Strip them back a lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
There is.
Okay, come on.
It's the only dangerous bit, really.
Say hello to my little friend.
Cool. I love the basic, you know. Yeah. It's a simple idea, but spectacular.
The simplicity of it makes it so.
Yeah. Oh, right, and those are the spark things.
Yeah.
Just to make sure that the petrol
Do you fire those off first?
At the
don't
same
get
time.
time.
They'll all go at the same time, there'll just be sparks going everywhere. Basically,
We're gonna run that mic
if you
out here.
if you fire it
Should I do
just
that?
with
Yeah.
the if you fire it just with the dynamite, you create the vapor cloud, but there's no fire involved with the dynamite. Well, there is, but it's incredibly fast and it doesn't always light it. It does sometimes, but just the addition of these, the burn of the sparks is about a half a second, which is it's a lifetime in high explosive terms. It's enough to just light the cloud of vaporized fuel.
Right. Cool.
And
Where do you think we're safe to put the mic? The one that we're allowed to kill.
well, if you're going to kill it, if you're going to put it, you put it to the side just in case. If it goes that way, then it will get shot that way or
Yeah.
that way. Okay, petrol bang. Going in 3, 2.
Bang larger. There you go.
Recording. You guys ready? Recording. Okay, it's a fuel bang with 3 sticks of emulsion. Stand by, firing in 3, 2. Wow.